How to use History Brush tool in Photoshop. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let's get started. So the History Brush tool is used in order to revert certain pieces of my picture into its original state, but without reverting the other parts. So let's say an example. So if we damaged a part of this dog picture, we can revert it simply by the History Brush tool, but we can just revert some parts. Let's try it, and let's first make some changes in this picture and use the brush tool. Let's increase the size and get this some red, and here is some another color. Let's have this here, here, and here. You can always undo this stuff, but what if we want some dots here and don't want this stuff? Simply go to the brush tool and hover over this. As you can see, it's just reverting to the picture to its original state. So if we want this red line to be outside like this, or this to be like this, it's reverting it to its original state. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.